Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop a Microsoft form from accepting responses using the latest Microsoft Forms interface. This is useful when your survey deadline has passed or when you have collected enough responses. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to forms.microsoft.com. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Open the form you want to close. At the top of the form editor, click on the Responses tab. Inside the Responses section, you will see a toggle option labeled Accept Responses. By default, this option is turned on. To stop receiving new responses, simply turn off the Accept Responses toggle. Once you switch it off, your form will immediately stop accepting new submissions. Anyone who tries to open the form link will see a message saying that the form is no longer accepting responses. You can also set a start date and end date inside Settings if you want the form to close automatically at a specific time. And that's it. That's how you stop a Microsoft form from accepting responses using the updated interface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated tutorials. Thanks for watching.